Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about on-road cars. In my opinion, on-road for me is one of my favourite RCs to do. There are loads and loads of RCs that you can use for on-road. From cars like this, which I've reviewed before, about $80, four-wheel drive, brushless, absolutely brilliant little car. And then you can move up to cars like this. This is a Kyosho Phaser, and this will cost you around, I don't know, $250. This is electric, ready to run, brushless. And then we have cars like this. This is the Traxxas Fiesta VXL Flux 3S, 55 mile an hour out the box. This is sort of 1/10 scale, but slightly bigger, but this thing is absolutely epic. And these will cost you around $400 to $500. And then we get to cars like this. This is the Armour Infraction. This is 6S. 80 mile an hour out of the box, absolute tyre shredder, car park maniac. I love this truck. I haven't used this one that much, but these are sort of the ultimate car park basher. But guys, all these cars, they are missing one thing, that being noise or an engine. So guys, this is where this ginormous lump comes in, and this thing weighs an absolute ton. This is my most favourite RC car I have ever had. This thing is an absolute beast. This car is an MCD XR5 Pro, the max version. It is an absolute animal. So let's get it down because it's bloody heavy and have a look at it. This car is an absolute animal, guys. Look at that, it looks absolutely awesome. This is my most favourite RC car. Look at the size of it, guys. It doesn't even fit on my top. So this is 1/5 scale on road, just for size comparison. Look at that, that is 1/10 scale. Absolutely massive. I've had this car for probably a year and a half now. It hasn't been used at all last year. This came from Taylor RC as a roller. Clear body, I painted it, everything myself, and I built it myself. There'll be a link in the description to Taylor RC where I got it from. They still hold these in stock as a roller. Well, they do sell them with a Taylor 35 already on. This body here, guys, this was painted by myself. This is fully airbrushed, this livery on here. Apart from the stickers, the Skechers one on the side there, everything is fully painted. This car has some unique features. Also being the light buckets, the resin printed light buckets in there, like 3D printed on the front. And they've actually got daytime running lights and working lights. And I put a brake light in there, guys, as well, to make it look like an actual rally car. Now, guys, there are 3 different versions of this car. You get the Max Ultimate FR. The FR version has slightly more aluminium on it, and the Max Ultimate is like full aluminium everything, like aluminium arms, you name it, it's got it. Now, funny enough, Max has just picked one of those up, and I've painted them a body shop, and we're going to meet up with them later, so we'll have 2 of these out. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a really good video. Guys, this is the chassis. So you've got a 70/75 aluminium chassis down there. Look at the size of the shocks there, guys. That is my finger. They are absolutely huge. And the machining of these is absolutely epic. So no expense spared with this car, guys. When I built it, steering servo, ginormous 80 kilo Power HD HV servo in there. Absolute monster. Got my favourite servo there, the AGF 40 kilo HV servo. So necessary bits we've got on here. We've got this switch. This activates the brake light when I'm driving it. And we have the trusty old kill switches in there. I never run these without a kill switch. So there's a kill switch in the box. 2S LiPo in there. Also, we're running in this guy. So this isn't a normal engine. This is the Reactive Racing 32cc race-tuned engine. So these engines, guys, they started out as a Zenoa. They were completely stripped down, tuned, put back together again. And this thing absolutely rips. So they quote these produce about 8 horsepower. Max's one has a 29 in it, and we're going to test it against that, and we're going to see what it's like. But this engine it's got some serious grunt. Tune pipe wise, this has got the MCD Barracuda pipe on it, so I've heat wrapped it as well to get a bit more performance. Unlike other petrol cars, guys, this one sounds absolutely awesome. You don't have to wear earplugs. You'll see later, it sounds absolutely phenomenal. Also, like I said, no expense spared. So this has got the 2-speed X-Snap gearbox in it. Fantastic, seamless gear shifting. It's absolutely brilliant. And also in here, guys, the clutch is not a normal clutch. I'll put a picture on the screen now. This uses the MCD ProBlite clutch. So instead of a normal pads, it has edges on it, which basically, as soon as you accelerate, they expand, they clip in, so you get direct drive, instant power to the wheel. So you also got a centre diff in there, you've got humongous front differentials and a rear differential, all CV boot slut. So, cost-wise, guys, not included the shell I painted, This car comes in at around $2,500. So it's not cheap, but for what you get, it is absolutely brilliant. So I don't think there's much else to say, guys. We're going to go and get some fuel. I'm going to meet Ultimax and we're going to take them out for a rip. So guys, there is also a electric conversion for these. They do electric, but I didn't want to do it electric. I think big cars like this need to be petrol to make them more lifelike, and the smell of it as well. So I'll put a link in the description of both to do electric conversion with this as well. They do the electric roller. All the links will be in the description to Taylor's website, so you can see all of these in all their glory. Off we go then, please. Let's dribble more action. Right, guys, here we are on location, and it is absolutely Baltic this morning. Absolutely freezing cold out here, but we're just doing this video for you guys. So, all three cars now, so we have a different one down here as well. Let's have a look at what we got. Got two MCDs here. They're both XR5 Maxes, but this one is slightly different. This is Max's one, and this is mine. And we have the trusty old Rovan as well. Now, I had one of these Rovans before I had my MCD, and I thought it was the worst purchase I ever made because it just wore out and it just cost me loads of money. So, wasn't the best, but it is like third in the price. Two side by side. The main difference is, like I said, mine's just a normal bog standard XR5 Max. This is the ultimate. So has all the arms, nice arms, all the alloy upgrades on it, all the top arms on here, all alloy. This is also running 2 speeds, the same as mine, and this is running the Zenoa, so it's the same make engine as mine, but this is 29cc where mine is 32. So we'll see what difference it is. Right, guys, like I said, this car hasn't been run for about 1.5 years, so I'm going to try and get it started. We've got fresh fuel in there, 25-1 with fully synthetic racing oil. Set up on here. I've also set the failsafe up, so if it does run away, it'll stop. Well, it shouldn't run away, it should stop itself.
Oh, don't be boring. Turn that failsafe off.
So primer up, she goes. Turn her on. Helps if I have the right model.
And start tugging as well.
That's what she said.
Power. Right, start tugging away.
2,000 years later.
Right, it's a quick speed run. See how fast it goes.
$52 mile an hour, good going.
Hello, Max, what are you doing? Going pee-pee?
Yeah.
Done the old speed run, do a bit of car park if we can find one. They're not going to moan about, because these guys over here like to moan about an empty car park. Got mine and Max's out. When they're good, they are awesome. Just getting them in that state. Oh, there's more grip in here, guys. Guys, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. This car is absolutely absolute nuts. It is definitely my favourite car. But unfortunately, we keep getting told off. We're not doing anything wrong here, making a little bit of noise. So me and Max has had a little incident, only a slight touch. I turned around, he drove into the side of me. But look, this is body I painted. How flimsy. Look at that.
Pretty much 200 quid. It's the first run. We literally loft it like that, and the thing is closed. So, what I'm going to say, guess it's getting it now.
What are you doing, Max?
Doing a big old drift here.
Yeah, Max is not having a lot of luck with this engine. It doesn't seem to be running very well. I think it's a tuner myself. What do you reckon, Graham?
I know it's saying I'm professional. I'm just...
Oh, God. So, guys, can't really hear the two-speed is working, but it is way too slippery out here to get it full speed anywhere. It's just too slippery. And I'm just going to end up in a curb. But this car is absolutely phenomenal. The handling in the dry, I have to show you, but it is epic. So unfortunately, guys, this lovely body I painted for Max, look, only a week ago, it's just completely split all the way up here, across here, snapped this off. I don't know how, because we didn't collide that much. It's an absolute shame, and I'm gutted that I've done that, you know, but we all have accidents. So we'll have to paint him a new one, won't we? So that's it, guys, end of the video. So you can see both of these in action and what absolute beasts they are. Phenomenal cars. Yes, they're a lot of money, but they are absolutely brilliant cars to own. If you can get yourself one, save all your money up, puts your biggest smile on your face, is the best. And these are, for me, the best on-road cars you can get. So thanks everyone for watching. Questions in the comments below. Link in the description for both of these cars and where you can get from Taylor RC. And I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta now.